Internal combustion engines use hot expanding gases to push against the piston. The downward movement of the piston is converted to rotational movement by the crankshaft. It is then directed through the transmission to the wheels of the car. Engines come in two main types: spark ignition engines, which burn petrol, gasoline, or ethanol, and compression ignition engines, which run on diesel fuel. The main components of the engine are the engine block, which contains the crankshaft, connecting rods and pistons, and the cylinder head, which incorporates the camshafts and valves. A metal chain or rubber belt is used to ensure that the timing of the valves and pistons is synchronized. Motor mounts keep the engine from twisting from the torque of the engine, as well as absorbing vibrations. Engines are filled with oil to keep moving parts lubricated and cooled, and use various gaskets to keep the oil from leaking out. On most vehicles, accessories such as the alternator, power steering, and air conditioning are powered by the engine using drive belts.